Welcome to Sesderma, doctor. How are you?
Thank you, I'm fine. Myself, Dr. Shahnawaz. I am from a beautiful valley called Kashmir, which is a part of India. Flying to Sesderma was a privilege, and I thank Sesderma Global for the invitation and for hosting us in such a beautiful manner.
Is this your first time in the country? Let's say which aspect has impressed you the most?
Yeah, this is my first visit to Spain and to Valencia also. And this region has got some of the most beautiful scenic places, good cuisines, and most importantly, good food.
Let's say, what are the aspects that you believe that makes Sesderma unique compared to other dermocosmetic brands you have worked with?
See, let us talk it in a very practical and pragmatic way. A company, a dermaceutical house should not keep the research confined to the labs. It should be able to paint that on the canvas called skin, and that is where exactly Sesderma excels, right? Be it the liposomal technology, the nanosomes, the regenerative medicine like exosomes, Sesderma as a dermaceutical hub has excelled beautifully in addressing the major problems with regard to skin and hair. So this is exactly what sets it apart, because it believes in science, in research, and then transforming the same into dermaceutical treatments for the patients.
And taking this into consideration, what do you believe, what are your impressions about the technology, the nanotechnology, the nanotech that Sesderma has developed?
Yeah, see, once we talk about the nanosomes or the nanotechnology, the major concern and the major benefit of the technology is the penetration part is better, number one, and second, the drug delivery is exactly at the layers of the skin where it is needed. So that makes it more effective and at the same time reduces the surface or the superficial side effects like irritation, which is the most concern with regard to non-nanosomal formulations.
And finally, if you could bring one lesson from this experience back to your patients, to your clinic, what should it be?
See, every conference and every lab visit reinforces our concept that learning is continuous. So we have taken a good message from visiting the place where it all started, that is Valencia, coming to know about the first-hand experiences of the nanosomes and the liposomal technology which Sesderma has. This definitely will revolutionize the skincare in a better way. I belong to a place where we have most common patients of rosacea and melasma. So this is a very tricky thing to treat. So on one hand, if you use demelanizing agents, they will irritate the skin. On the other hand, if you don't use, you are not going to reduce melasma. So it is exactly where one of the products, I will name it specifically 𝐒𝐻. This is something which reduces not only the melasma, but at the same time, it brings a relief in addressing the problem of rosacea. So in my part of the place, people are very satisfied with how Sesderma is transforming their lives. And I thank Sesderma Global for this opportunity, for inviting us here, and at the same time for transforming and upscaling our clinical practice.